New. You can now listen to Fox News articles. The full name of Kylie Jenner and Travis Scott's newborn son has been revealed. The couple's second child is named Wolf Jacques Webster. His middle name is special because it's the first name of the Sicko Mode rapper, 30. The birth certificate, which was first obtained by TMZ, also states that Dr. Thais Aliabadi was the OB/GYN who delivered Wolf into the world. Dr. Aliabadi has been the physician for members of the Kardashian-Jenner household before. Jenner also used the OB/GYN when she delivered her and Travis' first child, daughter Stormi. The beauty mogul previously announced the birth of her second child with Scott in a post on social media 2 weeks ago. The Instagram post was captioned with the date 2 February 22 and featured a black and white photo showing the newborn's hand apparently being held by his big sister, Stormi, who turned 4 on Feb. 1. Last month, the Kylie Cosmetics founder, 24, took to Instagram to share photographs from her baby shower. The reality TV star wore a white, fitted maxi dress that showed off her baby bump for the occasion. The decorations for the celebration included giraffes and white flower petals. Jenner also shared a photo of some of the gifts she received, including a matching Christian Dior baby bag and stroller. Jenner and Scott did not reveal the sex of their second child until after he was born. The couple have been dating since 2017, but reportedly split in 2019 and continued to co-parent their daughter. They reconciled in 2021. Jenner announced she was pregnant that September, and held a baby shower in January. Jenner, part of the Keeping Up with the Kardashians reality show Family, founded her makeup company in 2015, tapping into her hundreds of millions of social media followers to promote her popular lip liners and liquid lipsticks. The Associated Press contributed to this report.